Grok 4.2 is not just another AI model. It is a completely new evolution in artificial intelligence that is quietly changing the way humans interact with technology. Unlike previous AI systems that only respond to commands, Grok 4.2 can understand intentions, analyze situations, and provide solutions that feel natural and human-like. It is designed not just to process information, but to think, reason, and assist in ways that were unimaginable a few years ago. Today, we will explore the capabilities of Grok 4.2, why it stands apart from other AI models, and how it is poised to reshape education, work, creativity, and daily life. Most artificial intelligence until now has been reactive. It waits for the user to ask questions and then provides answers based on data. This approach works for basic queries, but falls short when complex reasoning or contextual understanding is required. Grok 4.2 changes this paradigm entirely. It is not just reactive, it can analyze the underlying purpose of a question, understand the context of a conversation, and offer insights that are both logical and creative. This makes it far more than just an answering machine. It transforms into an intelligent assistant capable of supporting high-level decision-making. One of the most impressive aspects of Grok 4.2 is its real-time reasoning engine. When presented with a complex problem, Grok 4.2 can process multiple layers of information simultaneously. It does not rely on guesses or assumptions. Each decision is based on logic and context, allowing users to receive guidance that is accurate and relevant. This feature is especially valuable for students, researchers, engineers, and content creators who deal with intricate problems that require structured thinking. Grok 4.2 acts as a partner, helping them approach challenges systematically and efficiently. Training. Grok 4.2 involved far more than just analyzing large datasets from the internet. It was designed to understand human behavior, psychology, scientific methods, and real-world conversations. This allows it to provide answers that are nuanced and context-aware. Its responses feel natural because they are modeled on real human reasoning patterns. Unlike traditional AI that often feels robotic and detached, Grok 4.2 communicates with a level of understanding that mirrors human thought. It can detect tone, recognize patterns in communication, and even anticipate what the user might need next based on prior interactions. Contextual memory is another area where Grok 4.2 excels. Most AI systems can only remember the immediate conversation, which limits their usefulness in long discussions or ongoing projects. Grok 4.2, however, can maintain context over extended conversations. It tracks relevant points and recalls earlier interactions to provide continuity. This means that if a user is exploring a topic in depth, Grok 4.2 does not repeat the same explanations, but builds on previous insights to advance the conversation. This feature alone makes it indispensable for collaborative work and deep learning scenarios. Content creators can benefit immensely from Grok 4.2. It does not simply generate text or scripts, it considers audience engagement and psychological impact. It can suggest where to place hooks, how to structure storytelling, and when to emphasize emotional or logical points to maintain attention. By analyzing patterns that attract and retain audience interest, Grok 4.2 produces content that is not only engaging but also highly effective in maintaining viewership. It can become a creative partner capable of elevating content quality far beyond what traditional tools allow. From an SEO perspective, Grok 4.2 is also transformative. It does not rely on outdated keyword stuffing techniques. Instead, it focuses on semantic SEO, understanding search intent and creating content that satisfies both readers and search engines. It can structure headings, optimize readability, and ensure that content authority is naturally integrated. For anyone creating online content, this makes Grok 4.2 not just a writing assistant, but a strategic tool capable of boosting visibility and engagement in a highly competitive digital environment. Students can also use Grok 4.2 as a personalized tutor. It does not merely provide answers to questions but explains concepts step by step. It identifies learning gaps, customizes explanations based on understanding, and reinforces knowledge through logical reasoning. This capability makes Grok 4.2 ideal for complex subjects such as mathematics, science, coding, or research methodologies. It is a virtual mentor that can adapt to the learning pace and style of each individual, offering a tailored educational experience that is far superior to traditional methods. In professional settings, Grok 4.2 transforms decision-making processes. Businesses can use it for strategy development, risk assessment, market analysis, and planning. It does not only process historical data, but also predicts trends and recommends actions with logical reasoning. This makes it an invaluable asset for teams aiming to stay competitive in fast-paced industries. By combining data analysis with human-like reasoning, Grok 4.2 bridges the gap between raw information and actionable insights. Another distinct feature of Grok 4.2 is its design for authenticity. It does not give superficial or politically safe answers. Instead, it evaluates information critically and provides honest, logical responses. If an idea is flawed or a strategy is weak, Grok 4.2 points it out, offering alternative solutions and adjustments. This creates a level of trust and credibility in its interactions. Users know that they are receiving thoughtful input rather than automated agreement, making it a true partner in both professional and personal contexts. Privacy and security have been central to Grok 4.2's design. It uses data efficiently without over-reliance on personal information, ensuring user interactions remain safe. In a world where digital privacy is a major concern, this approach sets it apart. Users can rely on Grok 4.2 for intelligent guidance without the fear of their data being exploited. This combination of advanced reasoning with robust privacy makes it a trustworthy tool for sensitive and high-stakes applications. Looking toward the future, Grok 4.2 is not merely a tool, it is evolving into an AI companion. It is capable of supporting creativity, enhancing decision-making, and augmenting human potential in ways that go beyond conventional software. It encourages deeper thinking, refines ideas, and assists in solving problems that require both logic and creativity. As humans and AI continue to collaborate, systems like Grok 4.2 will redefine what is possible, turning complex challenges into manageable solutions and elevating human productivity. The impact of Grok 4.2 extends across industries. In education, it can revolutionize learning and mentorship. In healthcare, it can assist in analyzing medical data and predicting outcomes. In research, it accelerates problem solving by identifying patterns that may not be immediately obvious to humans. Even in entertainment, Grok 4.2 can contribute to creative writing, game development, and interactive storytelling. Its versatility allows it to seamlessly integrate into nearly every aspect of human endeavor, creating new possibilities for collaboration and innovation. Grok 4.2 represents a turning point in artificial intelligence because it is designed not just for speed or power, but for understanding. It emphasizes reasoning, contextual awareness, and meaningful interaction. Unlike earlier AI models that were primarily tools, Grok 4.2 acts as a partner, enhancing human capabilities rather than replacing them. This distinction is critical in a world where the line between human intelligence and machine intelligence is increasingly blurred. For anyone exploring AI technologies, Grok 4.2 cannot be ignored. It is not a passing trend or a minor upgrade, it is a fundamental shift in the way artificial intelligence functions, and it signals the emergence of AI systems that are truly intelligent in the sense that they can think, reason, and understand. Individuals and organizations that leverage this technology early will gain a significant advantage in their fields, whether in content creation, education, research, or business strategy. One of the most important lessons Grok 4.2 offers is that intelligence is more than data processing. It is the ability to understand, analyze, and apply knowledge effectively. When a machine reaches this level of comprehension, it moves beyond automation into genuine cognitive support. Grok 4.2 demonstrates that I can become an extension of human reasoning, a partner that amplifies our capabilities rather than limiting them. This is a profound shift that will influence how we learn, work, and create in the future. The evolution of Grok 4.2 also highlights the importance of collaboration between humans and machines. By combining human intuition and creativity with AI's analytical power, new possibilities emerge. This synergy allows for faster problem solving, more innovative solutions, and enhanced productivity. As AI continues to advance, the role of intelligent systems will become less about replacement and more about enhancement. Grok 4.2 is at the forefront of this transition, demonstrating what the future of AI collaboration looks like. In conclusion, Grok 4.2 is more than a technological upgrade, it is a paradigm shift in artificial intelligence. It blends advanced reasoning, contextual understanding, human-like communication, and privacy-conscious design to create a system that is not only powerful but also meaningful.